Hi all, hope you are doing fine. In today's video, I'm doing a review of a product called The Secret Page by Art Flair, Pallab Ghoshal and Ram Rawat. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell that you don't miss any of my future videos. Back to the product. I will show you around inside the secret page. This is the sales page. This is the introduction video. And then they have some training videos. There is 6 in total, and of course, like usual, the bonuses. The training videos is quite short. They're about 2 to 3 minutes long, but they tell you exactly what to do. Now, the secret page is a page that you put in between your review page and your product page. And on the secret page, you will put a discount. So if people see this discount, then that is when they will buy. So here in the video, they show you exactly how it works. So this is now the product review page, and this is the product page. So what will happen? Let's just get to there. There will be a page in between. That's it. And here you will have the discount on this page. So anybody coming into the sales page, going to a discount page, and then they will go to the product page. And I think they rely on discount. If you see a discount, people are usually more reluctant to buy the product. Here I'm just showing you how they put the middle page with a 40% off. So they pretend it was 50. And then you will pay 10. And here, what I also find, this is like a MLM. Before you can get your discount code, you have to send this and share it with 5 other people. Otherwise, you will not get the discount. So this is how they also make sure that this is going to go around to a lot of people. The first 5 will send it to their own 5, and their 5 will send it to the next 5. So Art Flair makes sure that this reach a lot of people who will buy the product so that he can make his money. I'm not very happy with how it works, but this is a good way that they made sure that people will share. Otherwise, they will not get their discount. The other thing with discount, if you go to ClickBank where the product is on, you will see that it is the same price as what they sell it for. So the discount is just a fake price that's added in between to make sure that the buyer think there's a discount. There's no discount actually. It's just a fake page that's in the middle between the two. What I don't agree with, and I think this is not a good way to make sure people buy your product by faking discount and putting that in the middle. And then, of course, let's not forget about the bonuses. The fast traffic, the affiliate strategy, the outsource secrets, and wealthy mindset. This is just a PLR that they prepared, very basic, with the information that you need to have to be able to set up everything. They also have an affiliate one that they will also give you. So it seems like they're giving you a lot of stuff. Well, I don't know if it will really help you and if it will really work. The people who usually make the money is the people starting the process and not really the affiliate marketer in the middle. page, the sales page again. Looks like one of the previous ones I know, with all this in the side telling you how good is it and what you have. The only thing that I saw they also mentioned in here is that you need a website. So people without a website will also have to put out some money to set up a website, as the affiliate, the page between the review and the affiliate page will go to a website once they go to the product. Now this product will be launched tomorrow, 27 June. Here they're showing how much money they made with all this. Now I'm not so sure, because this is also can be manipulated, so I'm not so sure. This is part of the 3 guys working with them. And I must say the education sessions and the videos are done well. And the other thing, they say you don't need to be skilled. Anybody can use this product. So, no matter how little skill or experience, you can use the product. Now here also they're telling you what the secret is not, that people don't get confused. That I think is quite good. They really made an effort to show you what they have. Step-by-step training videos, that's true. The videos is 2 to 3 minutes long and they're comprehensive and they're good. Done for you campaigns, I saw them, that's also good. And then Act Now, 100% automated free traffic software. Now here I have a problem, as I don't really know what is the free traffic that they're going to give you. The free bonuses, so let's see, I'm going up to see where is the upsells, because this is the other thing that's usually the summary about the secret page. First, I would say everything is working except for the discount. I clicked on 1 or 2 of the discount areas, didn't open anything new, it just stayed on the same page. So the secret page is a secret, and it gives your audience, maybe they think they have a discount and they will buy. So the secret page is the secret that they use to get the product sold. The next thing that I don't like is that they ask you to share this with 5 people. If I take my own experience, I don't like sharing anything if I don't like the product. So if I don't share it, I won't get the discount. So I'm pressured by them to share this. I wonder where the traffic will come from, because usually with these type of products, they say share it on your Facebook and YouTube and Twitter. And as beginner marketers, we don't have a big following. Traffic is also my big problem. The software works. In the beginning, when I looked at the education pages, the videos are working short, they're there, they give you the information you need to set it up. But as I mentioned before, the guys really making the money is the guys setting up this type of programs, not the affiliate selling it. So if 1,000 people would buy $11.11, see who will have the biggest money in their pocket. The creators of this. I wouldn't buy it. I would give it maybe a 6 out of 10, because what I like is that they have education pages and they have something that you can learn from and see how to implement this. And then lastly, the upsells. If you have that upsells and it's 400 plus, how much money do you give out before you have the product and everything is working? And in the upsells, there might also be some surprises. As I know these type of products, there's always surprises. Although it looks good from the outside, once you start using it, there is glitches, there's things that not set up, as this is just products to sell for the first month to make money for the creators. If valuable, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. not to miss my next video. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide reviews and training videos like this to help you make informed decisions before buying a product. If you're looking to start your online business, then click the link below to follow my suggested recommendation for starting your online business today. Thank you for listening. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen.